You look like a movie star.
Here we go. Ready to sing the song.
What a great idea.
Here we go.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaden and Dominic. Happy birthday to you.
Tommy. Blow out the candle. Blow out. Blow it out. Yes.
Ready?
Ooh, that blow out the candle. I was going to say, I know what blow it out. Blow. Oh, almost got it. Do it again.
Whoa! Okay, Kaden, blow out the candle. Yes.
Oh!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. You're my hero.
Do you want chocolate or vanilla? You want chocolate? Chocolate or vanilla?
Oh, look at it.
Oh, whoa. That's a Stony Creek. Yeah, there's one in Westdale too. I've never seen them before, but what a great idea. I've never been in it. Chocolate. Tony, look.
Ready, Thomas?
Oh, man.
Eat your cake.
Eat your cake.
Okay, here's chocolate, honey. Chocolate.
He wants a balloon off the top.
Oh, you want a balloon? Here's your balloons. Here's your balloons.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
What a birthday cake. Mommy. Oh, isn't everything edible?
Oh, there we go. There well. Yeah.
Just lick it.
Just lick it.
There you go. Just lick the balloons.
Oh, amazing. You give him the cake.
Just lick it.
Lick it. Here.